Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting product for all you TV enthusiasts out there. The digital outdoor TV antenna with a 150-mile range. Let's dive right in. This digital outdoor TV antenna is designed to provide you with high-definition TV signals even in rural or suburban areas. With a whopping 150-mile range, it's a game-changer for cord cutters looking to enjoy free over-the-air TV. Let's go over the key features. The standout feature of this antenna is its 150-mile range. That means you can capture digital broadcast high-definition TV signals from far and wide, ensuring you access to a plethora of channels. This antenna doesn't compromise on quality. It supports 4K, 720p, 1080i, and 1080p, providing you with a crystal-clear viewing experience. Say goodbye to additional cable or satellite fees. Worried about installation? Don't be. This antenna comes with an easy-to-follow user manual. Simply connect it to your TV using a coaxial cable, perform a channel scan, and you'll be enjoying local HD programs in no time. This antenna features a built-in super low noise amplifier, ensuring excellent signal quality. Plus, it can rotate 360 degrees for optimal signal reception. Worried about where to mount it? No problem. This package includes a mounting pole, making installation a breeze. Now, let's talk about how this antenna performs in the real world. We've done some testing, and here are our findings. During our testing, we were amazed at how well this antenna pulled in signals. Even in areas with challenging terrain, it consistently delivered a strong and clear signal. As mentioned earlier, the setup was straightforward. The user manual provided clear instructions, and we were up and running in no time. Another great feature is that it can support up to 2 TVs simultaneously without the need for a splitter. Whether you install it in your attic or outdoors, it's versatile and effective. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the additional accessories that come with this antenna. Wireless remote control for convenient adjustments. Power supply adapter. 33 feet coaxial cable for flexibility in installation. Mounting pole for easy outdoor installation. In conclusion, the digital outdoor TV antenna with a 150-mile range is a fantastic choice. For anyone looking to cut the cord and enjoy free, high-definition TV. With its impressive range, easy installation, and excellent signal quality, it's a top contender in the world of TV antennas. That's it for today's product critique. If you're interested in this antenna, you can find it on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.